Hi, Wendy from Wenway Creations. Hope everyone had a lovely Christmas. Survived. I did. Stressful, hard work, lots of preparation, cleaning and whatnot. Today I'm just going to be making some hidden paper clips. And I've only got these really big paper clips. I can't find any smaller ones. So I'm just trying to use my papers economically. I haven't made a video for a while. Oh, there's a mosquito. Die, mosquito. Get away from me before you bite me. Shoot. Got him. Yeah, I haven't made a video for ages. I thought I'd better get my act into gear and make one. Okay, let's just start off with those ones there. Bag of stuff here. I don't know. No idea what's in this bag of stuff. Have a look. Some butterflies. What's the butterflies? No idea who it's from. Postcard, butterflies. There's some nice ones. It's a booklet. Some numbers. More numbers. Big tags. Big postcards. Might cut those off. Up. Cut. So let's just have a few bits and pieces out of that. Right. Bottom here I've got some dictionary page. Glue these closed. Just let that out a little bit in case I want to put a ribbon on or something. Yes, I'm sure you all know how to make hidden paper clips. Well, Santa was very good to me. He bought me some new shoes, which I needed. I broke my ones that I'd had for 15 years, my old faithfuls. They, my homie pads, they were so comfy. I lived in them. And I was in a chemist week before Christmas getting a script filled, and I saw these. I'll just have a look at the shoes. And voila, there they were saying, buy me, buy me. So I bought them. And I said to my daughter, I said, have you got me anything for Christmas yet? She said, no. I said, well, there you go. You've just bought me some shoes. She laughed. She said, I bought you shoes at Christmas for your birthday. I said, yeah, but they cut into my toes. Not very comfy. Anyway, so, and I got a DVD set, a series I watched ages and ages and ages ago, and I only started watching it halfway through the series, and I never saw the beginning of it. I always wondered what happened at the beginning, so I thought, well, I might just get myself the whole set, then I can watch the whole lot. So that's was from my husband. And I got chocolates and shortbread and some money and some scratchies that I didn't win anything on, because this is Wendy we're talking about. She never wins on scratchies. Never ever. But I had a lovely day. I had some lovely pictures taken with my children and my grandchildren. So I could send them to my dad. He's 89. He's ICU. He's got COVID and pneumonia. He had a fall, so he got taken into the hospital. They discovered he had pneumonia and COVID. I'll just spread these out and just 6. I've got 6. Okay. So let's just randomly put this. Anyway, he was hoping to get out on the Friday before Christmas. But because his pneumonia hadn't cleared up, they wouldn't let him go home. So he spent Christmas Day there. So I sent him the pictures yesterday. And he rang me today and said, "Oh, thank you for the pictures. They're great. It's good to see all the kids." Because he lives in Tasmania. I live in Queensland. And I don't see him. It's only for, gosh, since my mother passed away, and she's been gone 14 years. A bit of pink roses. I'll put this on. And I might just fussy cut a butterfly, or 2, or 3, or 4. Skip ahead. Yeah, so it was nice to have all the grandkids over. Eldest daughter and her partner and her 2 girls, and she's pregnant. She's having a little boy. So I'm going to be a grandmother again. They came on Christmas Day. And my middle daughter came Boxing Day with her husband and 4 children. Because my youngest daughter lived at home with me, with her boy. So yeah, we had 2 days of great fun watching the kids open their presents and their reactions. My youngest grandson, the one who lives here at home with us, loves getting clothes for Christmas. He must be about the only kid in history who loves getting clothes as a present. And his auntie had bought him a shirt and a pair of shorts. Well, the reaction. Oh my God, oh my God. Throwing his hands up in the air, and then he starts doing this little jiggly dance, screaming with joy. Oh, oh, oh. He was so excited over a shirt and a pair of shorts. His mum had bought him some roller blades, and because she'd bought some the year before, but she'd never worn, she'd never used them. She said, "I'll put mine on and we'll learn to roller skate together." So here they are going round the lounge and the kitchen, round the island bench. He didn't do too bad, I must say. He didn't do too bad. But it was funny. Well, I need two more. This one's a different coloured one. This one's I know, I like that light coloured one, so I'll cut another one of them out. Doesn't matter if it's a bit of the same, they're not all going in the same book. Another green one. Oh, and the two little ones went in the pool. I mean, it wasn't exactly hot, but they had to go in the pool. They had a wonderful time splashing around in the pool. There we go. Now, just put my pin in my glue. Get my little stapler. Oh, how am I going to do this? I'll just have to do it near the bottom. Carefully at the bottom. In between the... They still work. Yep. Come down there a bit. Come down. That's better. There we go. I'll just get a bone folder here. Just push these in a bit so they don't interfere with the stuff going in and out of the under the paper clip. Where's my other scissors? Better. Sorry, concentrating so I don't cut myself with the scissors. Move him over a bit. Push him down. There, it's gotcha. So there we go. Short video, just to let you know that I'm still alive and kicking. Okay, so there you go. Thanks for watching me. I now have my website back up and running. I am in the process of putting my products back in. I was very lucky to get it back up. he hadn't deleted it. So I was lucky. You can also catch me on Facebook. Of course, I'm on YouTube. And that's my email if you want to get in touch with me for some reason. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch my little short video. And I will catch you next time. Bye.